must-know terms for any UX or UI designer.
Okay guys, without any further ado, let's go to the first concept. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the common design elements. So below are a few terms which we're going to be discussing the basics of web pages and apps and stuff. So the first thing is copy. So copy refers to a written material included in a product. So basically, in contrast to photographs and other elements. So basically, a copy is what, if you open the App Store, the Android Store, or any other Play Store if you want, and then if you see an app, what you find here is a few image elements followed by the description. Or if you open a website, and if you see, let's write a website here, and then you see this, the landing page, and here you have all these product image, you have image here, you have a few elements, and over here you have some writing. So the copy is basically this writing right here. It actually conveys to the user the message. Next, headline. So the headline are words that communicate what a company or product does. Different headlines for different products and user goals. So for example, like we said in the website page, what happens, each website has a headline. If you open apple.com, you can see that Apple always has a headline. It has a new product feature here, and then it comes with a headline. It says some quote. For the iPhone, it says, we made something like we never did before, or the all new iPhone. It's a headline. It conveys what the user wants to know. Then we have the tagline. The tagline is the mini headline below the headline. For example, in headline, you can say, come and experience your dreams. Whereas for the tagline, we say simply, we provide the cheapest flights. So we can say, this is a headline, and this is a tagline. Next, we have value proposition. So a promise of a value to be delivered and acknowledged. So a belief from the customer that the value will be delivered and experienced. A value proposition can apply to the entire organization or the brand, like for consumer accounts, products, and services. So the value proposition is basically the promise. Whenever you buy a product, the company promises you some certain standard of quality. So what happens if they meet that quality? You're obviously going to go and buy again. What happens if you don't meet that quality and actually it's not as value they proposed? You will not have that customer again. So that's what most companies consider. Next, we have below the fold. So what happens is when you open a website or an app, what happens is you can't see the whole website in one single page. So basically it has an image here, and you get some writing. This has an image. You can see how I'm structuring the website. But the whole website can be scrolled at least 10 times the size. So the thing below all this frame head page is called below the fold. That's something we should keep. Then last but not least, we have call to action. Call to action is basically once you provide a content piece of value, you're going to ask the person to do some sort of element or do some sort of action. So for example, in this case, since you are a YouTuber and you watch YouTube, so basically what this means is, the first thing is at the end of most awesome videos, the person who actually goes and asks the audience to subscribe to his channel. So that is called a call to action. So if they find that information is useful, then they'll subscribe to the channel. So basically they're following the call to action. So those are the most important tips, guys, and common design elements which you should know. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you again.
Hey guys, I hope you learned something out of this video. If you like the videos and if you want to watch more, want to learn about a specific topic, leave it in the comments below. If not, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe.